everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, and I'm super duper excited because this week I found one of my top wish list items. But before I get to that one, let me show you some other cool things first. So this week I was able to find more of these rag rugs, and I really like this pattern. The soft pink, the black, the beige. I really love it. Like I said, I use these for everything. These are the ones that I found last week, and these are obviously much brighter. And I still haven't found a pattern that I like for the DIY that I have in mind, but I'm still on the lookout. Last year I hauled these really pretty ones that didn't have the frayed edges, and I'm hoping I can find those again soon. If you guys have seen them, please let me know. This I thought was super duper cool. They're these little grow creatures, and you put them in a container. The container has to be a lot bigger than this because it grows 6,000 times its size. The only problem is that it takes 10 hours to grow. But the cool thing is that it shrinks back down to its original size, and you can keep growing them and shrinking them. So this is really cool, especially if you're doing a wreath, which is what I'm doing now, because Dollar Tree doesn't really have like starfish and stuff like that. They do have seashells, but not starfish. So this is a great way of using nautical stuff without actually having to go to Walmart. They're so cute. I also found these kids books, and this one's kind of interesting because it says the Brothers Grimm, and if I'm not mistaken, the Brothers Grimm are the brothers that actually do the fairy tale stories but with a twisted ending. So it was kind of interesting to see a kids book that actually had their name on it. If you research it, you'll see that all of their endings are super duper twisted. But if you have time, look up the Brothers Grimm version of all of these fairy tales that you grew up with. The next one is The Wizard of Oz, and this one obviously isn't by the Brothers Grimm, but I still really love the format of the book. It's perfect for story time or circle time if you work at a daycare. This is perfect. This is so cool. It's an old school razor, and it also brings 5 blades. So this in itself is such a bargain, because if you try and buy these blades on their own, I bought them at CVS for $5. I know this sounds really creepy, but that's actually how I arch my eyebrows. I always use those blades, just kind of work them around my eyebrows because I hate tweezing and I hate waxing. But this is such a bargain, and I'm really digging that it looks really vintage. So it brings the stainless steel handle and 5 double-edged blades. Really cool. The next thing I found, and I was super excited because again, they are stuffing the stores with so much fall stuff that summer is being pushed behind. So this was really nice. It is a little jar of seashells. Hi! Hi, you wanna come say hi? Oh! You wanna say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hello, everybody. You wanna put a shirt on? No? So Aria's right here. I'm not gonna move the camera because she's not wearing a shirt, but she is showing you guys her crayon. Wow. Sorry about that. So the seashells, super duper cute decor piece, and I love the little jar that it comes in. Speaking of summer items that are quickly going to go away, I finally found the tablecloth with that beautiful pattern that I hauled a few weeks ago. The pink with the palm fronds and the parrots. So cute. So I was really happy to see this. I also saw the plates, but the package was open, so I didn't purchase it for sanitary reasons, but it was still really nice to see this in stores. Since I love pineapples and I use these folders quite frequently, I purchased this pineapple folder. It's got beautiful glitter on it, and it says "Be sweet and wear a crown." These things, you don't need to be in school to use them. I put all of our documents in folders like this. All of my medical records, our travel orders, everything is in folders like this. So I love picking these up at Dollar Tree. I will tell you this much though, Dollar Tree is not the cheapest place to get these folders, especially this time of the year. You can get folders like this for 50 cents or even 25 cents if you go to Kmart or Walmart. But this one was so pretty and I had to get it because it's so pretty. This entire haul seems to be nothing but pineapple goodies because this next item is a pineapple cell phone holder. This is so cute. My phone fits perfectly on here. I know that people that have the bigger iPhone or Samsungs, it doesn't fit, but you can easily use this if you're into it or if your kids are into it as a little Barbie chair. It looks like a little cute patio chair, so this would be perfect. I know that this comes in a pineapple, and they also have a unicorn one, so this would be really, really perfect if you are into building doll houses and stuff like that, or if you have young kids. Or if you have young kids, but I think this is super duper cute. Speaking of adorable, I had to purchase this notebook, and again, I always purchase the notebooks. This one is so beautiful and it has the faux wood. It says espresso yourself, which I think is really cute. And then the next one, to fit the theme, has pineapples all over the front with the beautiful green background, and the prettiest part is the inside, the pages are pink with little pineapples at the bottom. So I think this is super duper 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 cute. This was actually a throwback. I remember begging my mom to get me this stupid gum all the time, every time we went to Walgreens, and it was pointless because the flavor literally lasts 10 seconds. 10 seconds, but it was so cool to have this stupid gum. So when I saw them, I had to purchase them as a little reminder of my childhood, but these things really are pointless. The flavor really is non-existent on these. I found the Dove Intense Cream and the Beauty Cream. I always keep lotion in my purse because I am super duper ashy. I don't even think that's TMI, that's just a thing. So every time I go to a doctor's office, I am super grateful to have lotion in my purse because whenever they ask you to strip down and get into those stupid gowns, my first thought is a slight embarrassment because I'm pretty sure I'm ashy, so the lotion definitely saves the day. This is really cool. It's not a pop socket, but you can still hold your phone through it. My pop socket actually broke not too long ago, and I spent an embarrassing $14 at Target for one. Good Lord, that's a lot of money. Then I saw them at Walmart for $5, which broke my little cheap heart. And then when I saw this at the dollar store, I wasn't too mad because this one is just the hook, but my husband does use this. He prefers this one. And if they're bringing these out, that means that soon Dollar Tree will have pop sockets, which is awesome. So what I was most excited about in this entire haul, and I'm pretty sure you all know by now, it's the pineapple ceramic ornaments.
So this is love. So this is...
These things are super duper cute. As you all know, I love pineapples, and if you really wanted to use these as something functional, you can use these as candle holders. You just gotta grab the bottom of your candle, melt it down a bit, and then press it into the top. A candle fits perfectly on here, and since it's ceramic, nothing is going to happen to it. So I purchased 2 of the white, 2 of the gold, which is somewhere around there, and a silver one. I didn't really love the silver one, so I was thinking of spray painting it baby pink. I'll let you know how that goes. Hopefully the color doesn't just slide off, but I'm super duper happy with them. They're so cute. My craft table has been a hot mess for a long time, and I know that a lot of you have noticed that I covered it up with the wood contact paper, and that wasn't really working out, and it was scratching up. So I found this at Dollar Tree, which I've been using, and I actually picked up another roll because I really liked it. And this is shelf liner. Not only is it the exact same pattern, but this isn't really reflective, so when I'm using my ring light, it doesn't flash back, and I can wipe this down with no issue. So I really, really like this. Not to mention, for DIYs and stuff like that, it is a lot easier to cut this down and use glue rather than using your shelf liner, if you know what I mean. Because shelf liner, even though it's super easy to use and you can lift it and put it back, sometimes you just don't want to do that and you just want to cut out the shape that you want and glue it on there. So this is perfect. So now let me show you some of the things that I found in stores that I thought were a great value and amazing, but I didn't necessarily need. I found this adorable Cactus and Flamingo tabletop decor, which folds out like a picture frame. Also, these cute little light boxes that have beautiful sayings. And LA Colors came out with these color correctors in so many shades. This is so awesome. So yeah, those are super great buys, but I didn't necessarily need them, but I wanted to show you guys so you can be on the lookout if it's something that you're looking for. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope that you enjoy this haul. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be on the lookout for. And again, thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll see you next time.